Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace the string on this Kobalt trimmer. We're going to reload it as well. Alright, let's get started. Alrighty, here we go. So there's a button up here and this is supposed to lengthen the wire as well, but there's two clips on each side of it to get the cap off. So let me just shimmy this guy up. But luckily I already have some wire, so I won't be needing more, but if I need to reload it, I can fill this thing all the way up. But at the end of both sides of these, looking at it like this, I have some wire going to be on this side of it, and then also some wire on the other side here. All right, so you're just going to find both ends of it. One of them's going to be one side, one of them's going to be on the other side, and just match it up. So with the clips, so with this clip right here, just match it up with this clip, and then right where this wire is going to be coming out, and get enough out, we're going to be able to do some good cutting. And you can always cut this at the end of it if it's too long, so turn it until it fits your needs, and then you can cut it if it's a little too long. So always go on the long side when replacing this or reloading it here. So all right, we got it in, and we are just going to be cutting it to length here to fit your desire, but I'm just going to go after a shorter end of things, and we are good to go. All right, testing it out. One side, once it's going, one side is a little bit longer than the other one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it to match the other side once you test it. All right, we are back in business. Let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and can now use your trimmer to cut weeds like this. Please like and subscribe my video for more. Thank you guys so much.